Apple just completely redesigned iCloud. I don't have to leave it at that. I don't know what I'm like. People are like, who's looking over his shoulder? There's nobody looking over my shoulder. You understand?
Yeah.
Talk about Taiwan and China, all right?
You said it.
Sometimes I just like to move the mic around for dramatic effect. I just go, just grab, hold it. Apple just completely redesigned iCloud.com, and it looks a lot better. Apple launched a totally new iCloud.com design on Wednesday. How would you even know this, Will? You don't use iCloud.
No, but I figured a lot of people would.
Use iCloud?
Like on desktop.
It's useful if you want to quickly access some of the apps or services that are otherwise on your Mac, iPhone, or iPad, particularly if you're on a computer you don't own or are using a PC. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you can remotely access your apps. When you're on iCloud.com, you'll now see widgets with a tile for different apps such as Photos, iCloud Drive, and more. Is this a thing? What do you think? You're going to use this now, Will? What's going on?
I like it. It looks pretty clean.
So I go to iCloud.com. This is the interface I see right here. I have my mail, some notes, maybe my drive. I see a nice photo of myself. I don't have a photo of myself. It looks like Sophia there. I don't have to that caliber.
No.
With the backdrop and the smiling and so forth. I don't think we can pull it off. It's not like we have a studio or anything like that. You can customize the homepage however you like, placing certain items such as your email or photo gallery in specific places. There's a plus sign on the top upper right side of the screen that you can tap to create a new email, note, calendar event, and reminder, or you can tap it to create a new pages, numbers, or keynote document. Bottom of the page shows details about your iCloud storage plan, such as how much storage you're using. There's also a data recovery option where you can restore deleted files, bookmarks, contacts, and calendars. Well, for iCloud users, they can rejoice now at the new web interface. I actually think I have the 2 terabyte iCloud. I believe the family is storing photos and such.
Okay.
So this would apply to me. I just don't look at it that often.
Yeah.
So
you don't use iCloud.
Well, I don't.
Even when you're using iPhone?
Well, I mean, I'm a customer. I see the bill coming in.
Okay.
But it's not it's not like a daily activity that I would check up on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Well,
they updated it, so you can check it out.
Maybe I will.
Yeah.
Maybe now's the time. Now's the time to get really into it. Might be.